My video guide is about removing the new ransomware called µ-2246-digits-of-pi. In this video, you will find out why exactly the ransomware is called like that and what exactly it does with the files. Before the ransomware attack, people can open their files, of course. But the point is that because of certain vulnerabilities, certain threats may be injected into the system, and ransomware is one of such threats. So the ransomware places this ransomware note saying that your files have been encrypted. When you try to open this specific file, you cannot open the file, and you may notice that this special extension has been added, µ-2246-digits-of-pi. The ransomware tells the victims to pay the ransom for file restoration. However, paying the ransom, of course, is not a good solution. This doesn't guarantee that the files would be restored. We recommend you to remove this ransomware immediately, and we suggest you to do that with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on this official page, combocleaner.com, using this green download button. Install the program and then begin researching and investigating your computer in order to detect and delete any hidden threats from your system. Combo Cleaner works very well in terms of identifying and eliminating the majority of threats, including ransomware. Initially, it is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper malware detection and removal. So after the anti-malware database has been successfully updated, the program will begin scanning and researching your computer. So I want to emphasize your attention on the feature called anti-ransomware. It allows you to add one or several folders on your computer that will always be protected against ransomware attacks. But this feature is the part of the premium license only. So at the end of the scan, you will see the summary of the threats that were revealed. You will be able to know their location. Even though some threats can be removed manually, we do recommend that you upgrade to premium in order to remove all these threats altogether and automatically.